Hi families, welcome back once again. This is the last job opportunity that I want to share with all of us. So if you have the experience, kindly go for it. Now hiring CNC machine operators needed for Kuwait. CNC machine operators needed for Kuwait. Positions: number 1, CNC punching programmer into bracket TRUMPF. Number 2, CNC punching programmer LVD. Number 3, CNC punching operators. Number 4, CNC bending operators. Number 5, CNC printing or engraving operator. Basic salary is 170 KD, 900,000 naira based on current rate. Free accommodations will be provided by company, health insurance and all benefits available to workers according to Kuwait labor law. Salary increment upon experience. Here are the requirements: international passport valid from 2028 and above, full professional picture, CV into bracket mention experience in electrical switchgear factory or plant, certificate of experience, an extensive work video or in one PDF. Service charge 3.6 million naira for visa and ticket. So families, this is the end of the job opportunities that I am sharing with all of us here, and this offer is from Micro's recruitment agency. Because if I post some jobs, will be like the jobs are expensive, this is and that. You see this one that with flight ticket 3.6, but some job will come, it will be only visa 3 million. That means Kuwait here, the companies, you don't get or the agents, they are not getting the job from one company. So the way some companies are there, they pay more than other companies. That is how some companies charge more than other companies. That is what we need to know, because some of you are fighting with me giddy in the comment section. Some of you even said that I collect some of the salary from the workers, like I post the workers and reduce it, then that money is for me. Some of us are just crazy. How does that work? I will say that without any excuse. How can it work in that way? Like I will go for some worker salary. You see, that is we Africans. So families, all the jobs that I shared, I know some of us, we have the experience, so kindly go for it. Thank you all for supporting this channel. Always, I am grateful. The thumbs up, very important. Always like the video and share to your friends or to your staff or your social media platforms. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.